Hi, I'm Alan Pedrick. I'm playing Freddie. We're in the middle of week 3 of rehearsals at the moment, and we're just tracking through all of our characters' lives because several of us track through quite a big span of age. So I'm going to be working from 13 years of age up to about 37. So that's very interesting, and I'm just sort of working on different physical and vocal qualities at the moment to see how we can distinguish those different periods in my life. Yeah, it's great. It's a really interesting process to try and mix the music as well and not make it a musical, though you stay true to the fact that this is a play with songs, but then finding those lovely heightened moments within it and then coming back to that real grounded truth. It's not an autobiographical piece of her life. It is a dramatic, heightened, poetic license take on Dorothy Squires' life. But I think the heart of it is still very true to all the qualities that she, that she demonstrated throughout her career. All of the glamour and all of the glitz and that amazing sort of showy qualities she had, combined with this really quite dark, sad end that she came to. And hopefully we bounce quite naturally back between the two worlds and give hopefully a truthful and full experience of her life and career.